Well, actually last year was our rookie year. This is only our second year as a robotics team, and we're going to World, which is the top robotics teams go. I'm with the team 17355 Thunderbolts. It's an FLL robotics team, and we've used Gigabot to make our bowl for our project. Every year they give you a certain category. This year is called Animal Allies. What we chose was an animal-and-animal relationship. Dogs eating each other's food.
Our prototype process was paper plates, actually was our beginning one, and that was how we started. Like, what about 3D printing? And so we tried to test it out, did different models, seeing how it would work, and we used the Gigabot. We thought this is actually pretty nice, and not a lot of teams 3D print at this level. We thought we would probably stand out a lot, and it would be a really good material. A dog comes up and it has the collar on. And you know how they have the tag to track the dog? Be kind of that, but like a Bluetooth where it can sense it. It's a different dog has a different collar, and the dog pushes the one out of the way, tried to eat its food. Immediately, the bowl senses that the dog that had the tag has gone away. So it will either move to another bowl, or it can move all the way to closed.
When our Thunderbolt was just a prototype in Legos, our job was to fix it whenever it broke, because it broke quite a bit. That's what I love about the 3D printing is it doesn't break.
The technology they have at the library is fantastic. My name is Kris Lee. I'm one of the coaches for the Thunderbolts. The way that this program is arranged, all of the different aspects combine to teach them things that they're going to need in the real world. From problem solving to product development to design to manufacture to presentation skills, it's all in there, and it really helps push the kids outside of their boundaries and teach them new things that they wouldn't learn otherwise. One of the neat things about 3D printing is it lets them imagine an idea. We teach them the skills of CAD to bring it to a file then they can take to a printer, and all of a sudden that idea is real. And so it goes from an idea to in their hands, and that's something I didn't have when I was a kid. And so to me it's really exciting to see that idea be able to be made.
I like designing Tinkercad because I could literally do anything with Tinkercad, and then basically whatever I did would come out on the printer, and it's kind of cool.
Whenever we went to the other competitions, well, we could see we were one of the only teams that were able to use 3D printing.
This is where all the top teams go, so like looking forward to see what other people have done, learning a lot of stuff. Yes, we're very excited.